This one's one that's kind of stripped because it has no weight, and if it does, it'll buzz because it's stripped out. Maybe that's what I should do with that red ball. Then it would work probably a little. It would work better. Let me look if it can get taken off. Because it's made different. Yeah, it can get taken off, I'm sure. I should try it. Blah, blah. It'll work in the bathroom. This one rolls a lot too. Most of them, when they're having no weight, just do this. Oh, from my laboratory. Okay. Tip the camcorder over. No, these camcorders never break. Oh. But it ain't coming off. Aw, this is just to open the motor. Well, then where's the weight? Wait, oh, this is the weight. Batteries are dead in the camcorder. I found the magnet, but I don't know how to get it out.